Hey guys, Mitch from Switchback Lighting here. Just a quick video on the installation process of our new tail lights for the RG Colorado, the S10 tail light. So we're going to swap this side over now. It's completely plug and play, and basically all we have to do to take this tail light out, we've got a 7mm bolt here, 7mm bolt here. So what we're going to do is undo those, try not to lose the screws, and basically that'll release this side of the tail light. Now what we do need to do is actually pop it out of the rubber mounts, so pulling from the bottom and from the top. So the bottom's out, as you can see there, and then all we're going to do is pull backwards. You're then going to have to unplug the cable, which has already been done here. As you can see, more than likely down here, there's a tail light harness plug. Process of installing the new lights is very easy. Try and keep the plastic on just so you don't damage the lights installing them. They come with this patch harness to convert the Chevy S10 plug over to RG Colorado. So all we're going to do, plug this in, you'll hear a click, and then you want to push the locking tab down. Feed this down to plug it in into the loom there, and then we've got a little pinch clip here, and that just slides onto this section here just to keep the cable nice and tight. What you want to do when it's plugged in, make sure you test that all the lights are working, and then basically you can whack it back together in the opposite orientation. So line your tabs up, and then basically pop your two screws in and you're good to go. So one quick mention which I have just discovered is that the clips that come with these tail lights actually don't fit the factory bolts. So what you will have to do as well is pop these little tabs out on your factory lights and move them over to the new lights. So then those, you can use your factory screws in there. So that's just one thing that you'll have to do up on installation. Obviously the bolts that are used in the Chevy S10 are a bit bigger, but yeah, that's one thing to note. So once they're installed, this is roughly what they're going to look like. So something a bit different, a bit more modern for these cars, and yeah, we don't have many options for these cars, so these will be something a bit different. But if you want a set, jump on our website, and yeah, as you can see, they're pretty easy to install. So yeah, cheers guys.